Lamborghini.
Superleggera.
I don't know how far.
Do you guys want to know the average fuel consumption per 100 litres?
What is it, like 9?
Do you want to know what it is?
It's like 9 in it.
58.7.
Per 100? But what?
It's not actually going to get wrecked. I'm literally going to give them money to come to Anthony's house and beat his car with a fucking cricket bat.
Dude, we're fucking back. What's it been? It's the last fucking video.
A month.
I got windscreen.
You can't play in the glass. You can't touch it with a fine-tooth
touch
comb.
it. Here we are. But what are we doing today, Anthony?
Alright, Wreckers.
Be bad if it's dead again.
Right to life. Not a hiccup. Too easy. I also opened the passenger side door and there were a few spiders.
Spidey cunts.
Yeah, it was about that big. Don't worry, he's gone. He's in there. Like, shoot him away.
Oh well, we're living now.
We have?
Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to get some fuel. Have that. I got a quarter of a tank, so I don't know how far.
Do you guys want to know the average fuel consumption per 100 litres?
What is it, like 9?
Do you want to know what it is?
It's like 9 in it.
58.7.
Per 100? But what?
Baby.
Dude, we're
This is
screwed.
what happens when Anthony drives a car.
My baby
Get
did
the camera.
I know.
What are we going to look for today as well?
Alright, so.
Do we have a list? Turn the car off. We just need to get some like sellotape or like cell phone and just go.
You can get a cheapo kit from like Redco for like
Yeah.
$20. That's what. Oh yeah, I'll show you. Like, it's not so great in the sun, but if you stand back here, it looks a bit better.
Oh, fuck oath it does. Yeah. What do we got here? We have a Lamborghini.
Superleggera.
We're at the Wreckers. Got my Slurpee. Tom's park.
Walking.
Yeah.
There's no parking. It's actually pretty busy.
Yeah.
So we are waiting for Tom to fucking pull up. I'll pull up.
Tom's caught up. Hello.
We're heading in. Oh, I reckon Honda. Tom, bring your car here.
What do we wreck the Honda?
I'd pay £3.50 to see that car.
Morning before a minute, shut up. I'm gonna put an ad on Facebook Marketplace saying wrecking GTI, right? But it's not actually gonna get wrecked. I'm literally gonna give them money to come to Anthony's house and beat his car with a fucking cricket bat.
Yeah, so the first Wreckers was it's a sad failure. Unlucky us.
It's not starting. I think we have a fueling issue. Go on, ask him.
He's got me.
I'll tell you as well. Wait a minute, it's in good nick. Hey mate. Nice. Hey, we got extra keys.
Hopefully it works.
Just carrying a bit of a weird
I mean,
one.
I'm a bit worried we'll get home and it just won't work. But
After 70 bucks, we can just come back and tell him that shit's fucked.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's 3 months warranty, I think.
Would it?
Right there.
He's just fucking walking with his steering wheel. And we're back. Hey, you motherfuckers got chopped.
Dude, we stopped for fuel. Oh, you want to say something cool, bro?
What do I want to say?
Put a new battery in the Callaway, and it should just start right up now. Just close. I'm having an issue. It's not starting.
don't fuck my plastic, bro.
The doy.
It's not even on it. It's good.
It's not anymore.
Liar.
Heard it.
Oh, no, that's Rory leaning on it.
Liar.
He's just abrasive, bro. Fucking hell.
Liar.
Some fucking part of this.
The gra-
Right,
I'm gonna put it in the right way, actually.
let's like fuck some shit up now.
Wait, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Like, fuck up the shit, or are we fucking some shit up?
We're doing both, bro. We have like this level of like content.
Oh, this would be awesome. We actually worked on a car. Apparently they stopped working on cars at Sainsbury's because some kid fucking like blew a car up.
What?
Yeah.
Tis been
Right,
fixed.
that's good. That's good. That's good. Lego. Lego. To be honest, we don't even need to swap the airbag over.
No, we're not.
No, we're not going to.
Oh, I mean, we could for peace of mind, I guess.
Well, how do we know that the airbag in that one's not faulty or dodgy?
We know any of it works.
Touche. Let's crash the car just to test. We have the improvised workbench in the back of the CRV. Taking out the fucking, what are these called? Got no idea if you can see any of it, but they look.
Yeah, they're identical.
Yeah, they're identical. No, which one's which?
Same connectors in the back. Yeah,
That
exactly.
looks creamy even.
Yeah, it's just got a different. I think that's just heat does that.
Really? It looks like fucking
Can't do
looks
that.
oils look like. That's sick.
Just looks. This is what happens when you buy a fucking like eBay butterfly knife,
Yeah.
and it's like trying to be a Sears knife. Oh, look at that! That's beautiful.
Perfect fit, man.
And at least we know
Fucking
this
we
will
can
work,
dash
right?
this shit, bro. See you later.
Don't throw the fucking airbag.
Good point. Angles and.
Ready? Okay.
So we're keeping this.
Yeah, we're gonna keep that wheel. Have you never used this?
No, I don't use my pliers. I didn't have to.
What we're using it now.
So what's the
Just see what happens.
Yeah, but I don't want to do that.
what's the problem?
Mess with airbags. I mean, this is meant to go like this.
No, I know.
Can you grab this wheel off my stomach, please?
I'm saying Anthony. I'm saying.
Hello, Ruben. We found a replacement wheel for the stitching.
Found a replacement wheel.
Well, we got a whole steering rack.
Oh,
Yeah. So
oh, you mean like the column?
yeah, because we had to take out the. Had to take out the fly something or other,
Yeah.
and then.
It's not the flywheel, bro.
Wait, what did we have to get? And then it's broken now. The one we took.
The one you took's broken.
Well, Anthony broke it.
You fucking.
Yeah, it just, no, it fell off. Like, I turned the steering wheel a bit. So
It's racist, isn't it?
We're gonna drive your Black's fucking spur.
Bro, it's just a quick release. It's a quick release steering wheel, bro. Ding dong. This is fuck.
Should've done that first.
Waffle.
That was the problem.
Good call.
Because I mean, it is bashed in.
Yeah,
It is
she'll be
bashed in
right.
right where the airbag sensor is probably most likely to be.
Yeah.
I dropped a bulb somewhere. Can someone find that? Dude, there's something wrong with my alignment on my car. It just keeps pulling towards your mum's house. Nah, I feel like I'm a Jeep driver, actually. No, because we accidentally left the window open.
Oh, that's right.
What? When
And then
was
the- then the
this?
battery-
Tell him.
What else
Oh,
you can't
it was
find?
for about 8 hours.
Yeah, it wasn't long.
Okay, so
I'm gonna just. Yeah, good point.
where's my small wrench? Still inside?
You didn't pull it.
I pulled this fucking.
You guys broke it when you dropped it, you fucking idiots.
Holy shit.
Oh, I fucking told you.
Bam, 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 bana, 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 bam. So I got it working. Guess, yeah. I'm telling you, please.
Did you just pushed it down?
Yeah, well, you didn't think of that, did
Enough
you?
talking for your fucking... Shut up.
I think it's good. I think it's good.
You ready? Are you ready to watch?
I'm filming. Shall we tell?
Watch the steering wheel blow up.
Oh, I'll film the steering wheel.
Tell us when, Anthony.
The battery's on.
It's on?
Yeah.
And it hasn't blown up?
Well, it won't blow up just yet.
Oh, until we put power on it.
Emphasis on just yet.
Just yet. So, not until we put power on.
Are the fuses in?
Yeah. But I'm already wishing that I was dead. This could be a complete.
Was that
disaster.
before or after the purchase of the car?
This car wishes it was dead, to be honest. It's doing everything.
It's telling us, kill me.
How did this one go in? Wait. No. Oh.
Wasn't it?
I'm not ready. Worked.
Yeah, well, that wasn't the issue to begin with.
Well,
What was that?
Oh, that was probably the Hornet tab.
No, that sounded like the
click, mate.
click.
There you
Yeah,
go,
there it
click
is again. Huh. Gosh darn it.
Dang.
Dang.
It's a.
You have a paper pen?
Yeah.
You can bridge pins 5 and 6 and it will give us a code. It
Okay.
might not be for the app. Yeah, go grab a paper pen. It'll bridge the things.
That's a good call. Even if we do take the bumper off to see if we can find any sort of like a shock sensor at all, it's not a bad idea. Because if we do find it and we see it's crushed or broken or something, or if we even need to replace it, we can go to a wreckers and find one. So the bumper is pointless. Yeah, not bad. Hey, it looks sweet without a grill.
We've got a new one.
Do we paint it black while it's out?
Oh, okay, start.
Let it prime first. Like, do you want me to just
Put it to the
put it to the put electrical first.
Oh, shit.
One more. Oh, the wipers are on. Turn the wipers off, will you?
It's a bit rainy.
One more. Okay. Let it go. Fuck. Airbag's still there. Nah, if that happens, it means it's an airbag warning.
Yeah, okay.
So then it's a sensor because it's not the airbag. Ah! So just for the audience, can we explain, fellas, what's the go?
New steering wheel.
Yeah, new steering wheel.
Okay, is that it?
New steering wheel.
What's the
A new airbag.
What's the pain that you had your head in your hands for, Anthony?
Oh, there was no, because you dropped a fucking bolt to the engine bay, you fucking.
Well, no, just then you had your head on the fucking door, in disbelief.
Oh, I just don't want to spend another $110.
Facing.
That's what wreckers are
You hear
for,
this?
fella.
Starts right up. I don't hear an issue.
Purrs like a kitten. On the cold.
Sounds like power to me, baby.
Sounds like a V8 and a V6 and a.
So it's having some fun. You're gonna die one day, and the money's gonna go.
I'm gonna die in this car.
You know what? He's not
No.
wrong. He's not wrong.
Yeah. Look, if you die with money, you've done wrong because you want to die with nothing. Oh, you could attach this to your gaming steering wheel.
Oh, facts.
Oh, good.
That'd be so sick. Because then you could practice for this.
I'm afraid to be sitting in this position.
Fire's on.
Oh, we'll get Toby to drive.
I'm not gonna put this video up until it happens.
Yes, please.
As I saw you walk away, just another